if you noticed, but Minna will be presenting here today. And Minna is I chose to describe you as a researcher, business developer, and innovation ecosystems builder. And we hope you can shed some more light on advanced test settings and the different ways in. So Minna, are you with us?
Yes, I am, and thank you so much for introduction.
Yep.
And I'm happy to be here, and I'm so delighted that you ask what is Health-Proof Helsinki, and are we willing to tell our story? And yes, we are. And I hope that the listener will get some good tips or some ideas how to work with public sector and all. And now my question is, can you see my slides?
Yes, we can see them and in full screen, so it looks good.
Yes, thank you so much. So thank you for introduction. So I am Innovation Director here in Metropolia University Applied Science, so public education organization, and I run Future-Proof Health and Wellbeing Innovation Hub at the moment. But I'm also co-founder of Health-Proof Helsinki, so I'm happy to tell about what we are. And the story behind Health-Proof Helsinki goes 2020, even when we started in my organization, my university, to think that we had just launched a huge facilities, high technology facilities in our brand new campus, and I thought that this should be open for everyone, to researcher or business developers. So that was the starting point. And Health-Proof Helsinki is that wide distributed research infrastructure and research develop and innovation ecosystem in the area of healthcare and social services. And we are located in Helsinki metropolitan area. And Health-Proof Helsinki offers testing and experimentation facilities and also other RDI services in healthcare med technology companies. But we also support researchers in any organization that are needing our facilities and laboratories and so on. So since 2020, Health-Proof Helsinki research infrastructure has enhanced the use of public RDI environments for collaborative, industry-driven RD activities. And we wanted to launch single action point services for companies. We think that we really address a critical gap in clinical testing pathways, especially in Helsinki-Uusimaa region. And that's why it was crucial to offer and integrate our RDI services and to give regulatory support in every way of device life cycle. So who owns Health-Proof Helsinki? So we consist of three major, or I can also say the largest Finnish organizations. So Metropolia University of Applied Science is the biggest Finnish applied science university. City of Helsinki, of course, the capital. And then our university hospital, whose is also major university hospital in Finland. And that's why it was very crucial that when we are working together and we found the same issues between our organizations and companies that was willing to do simulated or real world testing facility processes with us, that we have to do something together. That way we can offer something unified and shared expertise for companies. So together we can offer various testing facilities and other services that can cover the whole research and product development processes, ranging from early phases of discovery to preclinical testing and different stages of clinical testing. And the RDI ecosystem uses a single access point to these resources and unified service path across the different RDI environments, like cutting-edge equipments and software, health-related research, data, and specialized expertise in the area of diagnostics, primary healthcare, specialist healthcare, social services, and social and healthcare education. On behalf of Metropolia, our unit is Metropolia Proof Health. We can offer testing and experimentation environments in healthcare and social services. In preclinical state-of-art, like simulation hospital, and yes, we have fully booked simulation hospital area, for example, home, intensive care unit, surgical room, and of course emergency room and that kind of things. And then we have also a Center of Biomedics and Movement Laboratory, Oral Clinic, and so on. And that way we can also give companies real and huge, large student base for testings with healthy clients. So we can offer real testers for companies. And also in our university, we have like a well-being village. We are like a private service provider, so we can also engage and integrate real customers, real clients, also the testing as protocols. So that's the very good what we can offer on behalf of Metropolia. And also, of course, University Hospital can provide world-class clinical environments in diagnostics and specialized healthcare research data through the data lake, and also secure and scalable cloud-based solutions. So, and of course, you know maybe that University Hospital, who is very famous, also the ambitious research activities. And City of Helsinki can offer access to real-life testing environments in primary healthcare and social services. And that was the main thing, that we don't give different kind of services to the companies, but we can give much more together. So what was our journey? So how the ecosystem was formed, and maybe some hints and tips how this can be possible. So the collaboration between our university, University of Hospital in Helsinki, started, like I said, before 2020, and we were permanently launched in 2021 quite quickly. But the first development cycle was between 2021 and 2023, and our ecosystem concentrated on those years, initiating the activities of RDI ecosystem through tripartite cooperation, conception and construction of joint service pathway, and the promotion of collaborative operations within specialized units with each organization. And this was huge work, because we were familiar with our own organization, but we weren't familiar with each other and what we are able to do together. And of course, those years we also launched processes and protocols inside our every organization. And the second development cycle is still going, and I think the second and third development cycle will go a little bit limited, but we are ending this second development cycle, and we concentrated in this cycle process improving the accessibility of offered services and the customer path between different service providers and increasing international connections also, and networks that also our customers can get connections to those EU level facilities also. And that was very crucial and still is, and that's why I'm also in here now speaking. So we wanted to provide customers connection to other European partners and RDI environments through European network, and we are very happy that we are also associate partner in EU Deaf Health party. And now we are starting next year our third development cycle, and now we are focusing on improving the transition from preclinical to clinical research through certified quality management and ethically governed research and data management processes. This is very important if we do and we work together, and we also do tailored paths for companies. So we have to have general management protocols and of course how we secured data handling. So, are we ready? No, I think in our journey together, we are not in the middle, but closely in there, because those years we have also get familiar with each other. We have strengthened our trust between us and also make a general good protocols for everyone to follow. So the funding is necessary. So we have managed to have, and we are very proud and happy that City of Helsinki Innovation Fund has also giving funding for us, and also now Uusimaa Region Council. And like I said, that we are offering those services for companies. We get a little bit fees for those, but also we are doing a lot of research protocols with the companies. So both will get Health Proof Helsinki and the company money from for example, EU. So what has happened in this moment, December 2024, the ecosystem became permanent operation. So we are not anymore relying on just funding from outside every organization, but we are aiming and doing our plans together, and we have also permanent money from each organization, and that's very important. And we are still going on, even though we are funding ourselves via research funding. So we are happy that we are at this moment that we can ongoing with the companies, and they can get everything they need in one place, from preclinical testing and simulation to real hospital validation access and access to city services. And together we make it smooth and simple to help ideas also to grow and grow to be real healthcare solutions in the later on. But the basic and the most important element was that we all parties shared same vision, that we wanted to help to develop new innovations that ultimately increases people's everyday life. or makes patients' care of patient paths more secure and safety and increase the quality. So in the same time, we are very willing to increase the talent and capacity of companies, but we have also the major vision that ultimately we all, the companies and Health Proof Helsinki ecosystem members, we can increase also the people's well-being in the whole Finland or southern part of Finland. So as you can see, this is just a quick peek what we are offering. So we can offer, like I said, simulation facilities, but also those testers, teachers, researchers, and students that we are good to integrate those testing processes. But also Metropolia is very well known about the AI, XR, 5G, IoT, and automation experts. So we can also quite quickly integrate different kind of experts to give advices or run the testing protocols with the companies. And then the city of Helsinki is now also launching the first virtual testing room in primary healthcare. So we are happy to have that soon. And then, of course, university hospital, they can offer a lot of with healthcare digitalization, and I think that's their aim now. And we have this Apotti system and data lake, academic cloud services that they can offer, specialized healthcare professional and research expertise. And now you can ask, maybe you have wondered what we are aiming, and do we share the same visions? Yes, we share the same vision, but do we share the same ambition level or research or agility? And no, of course, no. We are three major organizations. There is own strengths and weaknesses. But the crucial thing is that if you want to launch ecosystem and you want to keep it smooth for companies and you want something from each other, it's very important that every year the ecosystem member takes a checklist and what we have, what we targeted and how we achieve those targets. And it's very crucial to make action plan every year. And of course, we need partners that run things more quickly and are more little bit agile. And Metropolia Proof Health is that, and Metropolia University of Bioscience. We are very agile, and that's why we are the coordinator, because we can support in our experts, our ability to launch new ideas and innovations. We can support City of Helsinki and University Hospital also to grow, and we can share also the knowledge to them. And we are also having a lot from City of Helsinki and University Hospital, because they are giving also the expertise and foresights what is happening, like with the medicine or pharmacy or clinical innovations. So it's very crucial that you trust each other and you find something that you can have, that you are then of course willing to have to give to the ecosystem. So like I said, we give companies the unified approach that includes joint service contact points and shared policies for evaluating RDI cases, implementing research and testing projects, monitoring progresses, conducting final discussions, and shared roundtable policy for managing the full life cycle of research, development, and testing projects. So as you can see, we have like a protocol that companies should follow. We have our own website, and there is like an online form, and then the company has to fill it. And there is some questions already what we need that we can evaluate that case. And every week there is round table that has experts for every Health-Proof Helsinki organization, and they evaluate the case together. And then they evaluate, is it how mature it is? Is it very early stage? So it's very important that we can give advice how to run their advice or something that they are aiming through the regulator path to clinical testing. And usually we start with preclinical testing facilities. But any case, if the case is giving a positive or negative feedback, we will give companies feedback, and we can give why it's declined or why we are taking it in. And there is some criteria. Of course, the need has to be in the university hospital side, or there has to be need in the primary health care. In our university, we are more willing to also help very early stage ideas, because we are not like integrated to any real real workplace needs or patient needs. But we have also some criteria that have to fill, and usually there might be require fulfilling certain conditions such as evaluation of research, data, and ethical plans, or other project-specific requirements that we want to ensure alignment with the ecosystem operational principles and quality standards. And of course, Health-Proof Helsinki is built on research integrity, transparency, and societal impact. All activities are aligned with current national and international ethical standards, of course, here in Finland, including Finnish Code of Conduct, Research Integrity, and European Code of Conduct, Research Integrity, and of course, Declaration of Helsinki. And Health-Proof Helsinki is also upholding principles of equality and non-discrimination. So here is our services. So as you can see, when we combine 3 organizations' strengths, we are able to give more broader service demand to companies that we can just do it by our own, every organization. So we can give like expert assessment, proof of concept, medical device prototyping, usability evaluation, product validation against reference measurements, clinical device trials, use of patient registry data, rental of special facilities if the company has their own researchers, and other research services. And other research services are usually that we can just make ethical plan for companies, for example, or we are aiming to get research funding together. There is a little bit statics for you. So there is overview of our service demands requests. And as you can see, the main and large product that we are now giving is usability testing in the target environment. And of course, product validation against reference measurements is the second biggest that companies are needing. But also, as you can see, other clinical device trials and proof of concepts expert assessment is very important if the company doesn't yet know is it suitable for example, healthcare experts to use or something like that. And we are doing also our work in the international level, and here you can see service request by different country, and of course Finland is the major one, but you can see that we have also requests for other countries also, and we are aiming to do that more, and that's why it's very important that we are part of Scandinavia, like Nordic proof testing facility providers and companies. We are at the moment also a member of 8Health Scandinavia. Now it's turning to just being 8Health. And then we are Health Proof Helsinki's Deaf Health Association associate member also. So we are trying to just not to give Health Proof Helsinki facilities to companies use, but also we are willing to give hints and tips and advices for everyone who are aiming to launch ecosystem collaboration between public, private, and maybe third-party organizations, but mainly public-private collaborators ecosystem. So, do we have something lessons to learn to you all? I think there might be thousands over these years, but I think the first and main thing is that if the ecosystem members, if they don't share the same vision and same the aims, and they don't have annual action plan, I think it's waste of time. Because if you want to launch some concrete, you want to give something concrete to companies that they can increase their talent and they can achieve a business market outside from Finland, it's very important that when then ecosystem collaborators have same vision and action plan. But one main thing is also that ecosystem is just an ecosystem. If you don't give time for it, it doesn't exist. And if you don't do homework in your own organization, like build good processes for testing opportunities and testing business plans, it doesn't work, because companies doesn't wait several months if there is any possibility to do the testing. They have moved on, and it doesn't give very reliable picture about the organization if they don't get feedback even a week or two that is it even possible to do the testing. And of course, there must be each organization, they have to have their own related financial and human resources thought through. Because if you don't do that, then there is no staff and time for clinical experts or our universities experts to jump into companies' processes. And then there has to be shared ecosystem agreements, structures, practices, as well as its own budget and annual goals and metrics. So even if every organization has their own financial and human resources, own action plans, the ecosystem has to have also those, and every ecosystem member has to obey those and do their own willingness to move on. And organizations should also share their knowledge, resources, and increase that way everyone's talent and ultimately talent and capacity of Helsinki-Uusimaa region here in Finland. I think you win when you are willing to give something, and you lose when you want to keep everything in your own organization. I strongly believe that every problems in the world will be resolved together. But also with the companies, as open as it's possible, as closed and secret as has to be. So this doesn't mean that companies has to give their own business idea or very crucial information outside. Of course not. This mainly means that memberships of ecosystem organization has to give and that they can get something out of the cooperation. And the societal impact must be in the mission. It has to be. It cannot be just that we are giving something marketing opportunities to companies or even those validation processes. It has to be something bigger. And I think one is that the idea, the innovation has to give ultimately some benefit for the citizens. And of course, we don't want to make any competition between us. It's very important that each organization has their own role and own responsibilities, and those has to be clear. And everyone must commit to the ecosystem principles. That's the main thing. But the biggest is that you can bring that kind of trust, that kind of cooperation, that kind of sharing, that ultimately it's more fun to work together than doesn't work at all. So thank you for listening, and I hope I'm on time. I think I am, and happy to have any questions if you have any.
Thank you very much.